All right, if you're looking for the best way to make money online guaranteed in 2024, I want to invite you to take the 24-hour challenge that OLSP is offering right now. Now, maybe you're struggling to make some money online. Maybe you've been trying for years to make money online. You haven't earned your first commission. You can do it guaranteed. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, because we have training that's going to walk you step by step how to get everything set up and have you earning your first commissions in 24 hours. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to drop down in this video and I'm going to show you how this works. So let's get started right now. All right, so this is the actual sales page of the 24-hour challenge that OLSP is offering you right now. And if you've been trying to get some results online and you have not gotten any results, and you're tired of all the promises that say they're going to help you get results, but you haven't gotten any, then watch this video to the end, because you can get started right now for a low price and it's guaranteed to work, which I don't know of any other affiliate marketing business or another product that guarantees you can earn commission. Now, I want you to understand that doesn't mean you're going to earn huge commission. You're going to start with small commission, but once you go through the training that I'm going to show you in this video, it's going to lead you up to earning bigger commissions as you follow the process. So how about guaranteed dollars in the next 24 hours? This is a sales page. You're going to access it by clicking the link in the description below. Watch this video by Wayne as he explains things to you. This is a nice page laid out. You can get started right now today for only $7. And I'm going to actually take you inside of the back office where you can see how this works. And I'm going to show you proof that it works, because I've earned money, some commissions doing this myself when I got started with this system a few months ago. Okay, so it's only 3 steps that you have to follow. You're going to watch and just watch, follow the process, click, okay, and cash out. It's that simple. So you can read this sales page when you click the link in the description below to see how everything works. It's a nice sales page laid out, for you. Introducing Wayne. Supposed to be some videos there that have not gotten loaded up in there yet. But I want you to take the 24 challenge. And if you don't make your money online, then you have 30 days to get your investment back, which is only a low time, one time $7. Okay. So you're going to see everything you're going to get on this page right here. So right now, let's go inside of the back office so you'll see what you get. This is the actual 24-hour challenge. And let's go to the dashboard right quick. I just want to show you proof that this works, because if I scroll down here, and this is what you're going to see, you're not going to have all of these products, but you're going to come down, you're going to find Comment Dominator Pro. And if I access this product, you can see I have earned $10, just for making simple comments on Facebook posts and Instagram posts. And when you scroll down, you're going to see right now we just had a live. If I click on view, it's going to take me to Facebook, and then I'm going to make a comment on that post, and then I'm going to come back and submit that. Okay, so it's just that simple. So Wayne is going to walk you step by step through that process once you get in the system. So it does work. I made 39 comments and I've earned $10 just from commenting. So you will earn your first commission by making meaningful comments on posts that's going to be located here. So if I go back to my dashboard, once you invest in this program for only $7 one time today, you're going to come in here and you're going to find the 24-hour challenge. Click on access the product. Once you get inside of the product, you're going to watch video 1. Video 1 is going to walk you through the entire process of getting everything set up so you'll be ready to go. No questions asked. Okay. Only thing you have to, if you just follow the steps, okay, you're going to be able to do this. And if you need any help, you can reach out to me as well on Facebook, and I can help you get through the process. In video number 2, okay, of the 24-hour challenge, if I click on it, I may have to pause it here. Okay, no, I don't. You're going to be able to connect with Wayne in Messenger and Instagram, okay, and his Instagram message to take you further through the process of helping you earn more commissions in number 2. So you see, there's only 6 videos here that you're going to have to watch. Okay, then in 24-hour challenge video number 3, you're going to join the OLSP group. You're going to connect with Wayne, friend him on Facebook, and follow him on his Instagram account. And you want to do that because you're able to go and see what he is doing, how he's posting, okay, and do the same thing that he's doing. What you can do is actually take the post that he's using and redo them or repurpose them and make them your own, okay, and post them on your Facebook accounts as well, and also inside of the OLSP group. If I just go right quick, okay, I'm gonna have to log in. If I log into the group, Facebook, hurry up and make a move. Here we go. So if we hurry up and log in, this is the actual group, over 47,000 members. We just went through this training right here today. Okay, so if I come and make a meaningful post on here, and I'm just gonna do it right quick. Let me pause this video and I'm gonna show you the comment. Okay, so I've written out my post. I'm gonna go ahead I'm gonna copy it. This is a well-written post. That's what you wanna do. You want a real well-written comment, and you're gonna copy it. Then I'm gonna go ahead on and paste it, okay, and post it on here, and now it's done. Now I'm gonna come back over to the system, okay, and we're on video 3. I'm gonna come back to the dashboard. I'm gonna come over to Comment Dominator Pro, and I'm actually going to click on submit. I'm going to paste that in there, paste, and I'm going to create. And now it's been added. The only thing they have to do is approve that post, and I'm going to earn a commission from doing those simple steps right there. It's just that simple. But inside of this group also, you're going to be able to see people who, you know, earn their first commission and things of that nature. So if you have never earned a commission online, come inside of this group and check it out, because you're going to be one of the people posting in here as well. Here go Anja, okay. Whoop made another sale today, but I have to confess I didn't pay any attention to this for a month or two and had some stuff going on. This just motivated me to start again with this permanently. I have to say that I love the updated system. This was 3 hours ago, okay? So if you just come through here, you're gonna see people who are making, you know, their first commissions on here, as I said before, and things of that nature. And you're able to come over here and just look at the recent media and see everything in here as well, you know, from people having success as well and things of that nature. So it's all in here. People are having success. People are enjoying themselves. People are really enjoying the OLSP community. You can scroll through here and see plenty of comments. Ready for my first withdrawal 5 hours ago, $54.55. Okay. You got people saying I'm interested. Okay. Good morning, friends. 8 hours ago. Good morning, friends. I'm happy for my first earning in OLSP system. Happy Saturday, all. OLSP system is real, so it works if you come in here and work it. Excited. I finally made commission through CD Pro. Thanks so much, Wayne. So that's enough of that. All of this is in here. It's just that simple. So you're gonna, once you get back in here, let me go back to the actual product again. 24-hour challenge. We was on video 3. Video 3, this is where, let's go back to video 2 for a minute. That's where you're gonna do your Facebook Messenger. Video 3, you're gonna get the OLSP group, connect with Wayne on his accounts. Video 4, okay, this is where you're gonna get your funnel. Your funnel, this is gonna be coded to you. So when you click on funnels, you're gonna have a funnel that look just like this, a funnel you don't have to create yourself. It's already done for you. The email follow-ups are done for you. It's just that simple. This is gonna help you earn those commissions, some more commissions as well once you come in. So not only are you gonna be earning commission once you set up and get started, this is another way for you to earn commissions as well. If you come back over here again, you're gonna get Facebook posts that you can actually tap into to start posting on Facebook. And don't worry, all of that is going to be shown to you inside of this training. Wayne walks you through the process of how to post, what to post, and things of that nature. So this little short training is going to help you do that. In video 5, Here, he's going to give you some more 5 minutes and 30 seconds. You're going to get some more training here as well. And then video 6, you're going to be finished, set up and ready to go. Once you in here and get all of this done, you are good to go. So the 24-hour challenge works if you put it to work. Now, you won't earn commissions if you start jumping around to other things and just forget about this. You want to get your first commission, so that motivates you, just like the people inside of the Facebook group that we just saw. Okay, people earning inside of here, they're excited. Okay, I'm feeling great every day. 8 hours ago, $127.19. Everything is working. I'm grateful for my commission. Thank you, Wayne. 8 hours ago, $6.25. No, it's not much. But if you never earned your first online, then hey, it's great. Okay. And the feeling is good. Happy to share with you my commissions, $2 on board. Okay. More to come to achieve 10 hours ago. So people are having great results with this system. You just have to get in here and do the work. Joining and not doing anything is not going to help you. Okay. Getting leads is amazing because they are likely to turn into customers. So it works if you work it. And it's just that simple. Here's one more. There was a day ago. Joined OLSP on the 8th and made my first commission on July the 11th while getting the hang of the system. Fast forward to July 19th, and a $7 product has already brought in $64.25 in passive commission. So it works if you come in here and just follow this training right here. Focus on this. Don't get your shiny object syndrome and go jump to another program. You know, you're not going to have success. The only way this works if you put it to work. So with that being said, okay, click the link in the description to get started. You're going to come to a page that looks like this right here. This is the page that you're going to have. Once you put in your name, email, you're going to come to this page right here. Watch this video. Click this button to get started right here, and you'll be well on your way. The only thing you have to do is follow the training. Okay. This is the best way to make money online, guaranteed. No other company guarantees you're going to earn commission, and you can do it within 24 hours if you get in and follow the process. So with that being said, go ahead on, click the link in the description to get started. Like this video, thumbs up on this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay, so you can see other videos like this I do about this amazing OLSP system, because trust me, things are happening in here that you want to be a part of. Go ahead on, get in right now. Coming Monday, I got another video that I'm going to drop for you, the way you can earn up to $500, $1,000, up to $2,500 in commissions with the OLSP system. This is going to be great. So get ready for that. Leave me a comment below. Click that link in the description. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.